This is a fit for a 2015 through 2020 and likely beyond LEXUS NX with factory installed flush side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule EVO Flush WingBar EVO base roof rack system. The system is using the WingBar EVO load bars in silver, 47 inches in length, the EVO flush rail foot pack, and the vehicle specific fitting kit, which includes the contoured rubber bases and the rubberized metal brackets which grip to the edges of the flush side rail. This is part number 6044. Here we have the crossbars positioned at 27.5 inches from front to rear, center to center. The maximum crossbar spacing is up to 40 inches. The maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.